We are now in Banda Islands. We are conducting the last surveys of our collaboration research project entitled Biosecurity Trial of Early Warning System for Marine Pests at Banda Islands, Indonesia. So this research is mainly for supporting the government of Indonesia to establish database for marine pests, and which is potentially to be invasive species. The research objectives are, first, we are making baseline data. We are obtaining baseline data of native fouling communities in the Banda Islands. And the second is establishment of a model early warning system for marine pests in Indonesia. And the third will be identifying the potential role of recreational and commercial vessels in the transport and introduction of non-indigenous species from and to within Indonesia. The last one is about the biosecurity issues. So we are going to foster the discussion and inclusion of biosecurity issues and surveys within broader marine biodiversity conservation and education programs and policies in Indonesia.
It is very difficult once a species is established to eradicate it and manage. It can be very costly and very difficult. It is a much better approach to prevent and to have methods for early detection, so we can act and remove species that can be prejudicial to the marine environment. There is a big knowledge just now in developing countries like Australia, New Zealand, Europe or the US, but there is a big gap regarding introduced species and pest species around the tropics, and in Indonesia there's not much that is known. Biodiversity surveys going on, especially in marine protected areas like the Banda Islands in Indonesia. So if we can educate people, and if we can introduce the theme of introduced marine species in Indonesia, people that are already doing the surveys, and especially in high-value marine protected areas, can help look out for introduced species. They just need to know what it is and what could be there, so they can better protect their oceans.
So what we do then is we have settlement structures underwater, which is just a PVC pipe, so several arms of PVC pipe, where we attach 10 by 10 centimeter PVC plates, and we just put them down to 1 and 5 meters in the water, and we just wait what settles on there. Because usually if you have new species coming in, they are looking for substrates that are not colonized yet, so they're looking for blank substrates. And with these settlement panels, it's really easy to catch new species. So all you have to do after a certain amount of time, like for example we did after 3 months and again after 8 months, you just take these panels out and you see what is growing there. And this we can keep doing, so these structures can stay in for years and years, and all we have to do is take them out from time to time and check what's growing there. So we will get an idea if something new comes in that we did not find on our baseline survey. And we are checking what are these species. So we do this once on morphological taxonomy, but also with DNA barcoding to verify. and this will give us the information what species are actually here.
Well, if I'm sailing all the time, probably every 1 year, 2 years maximum. Yeah. Use anti-fouling for the bottom, abrasive anti-fouling, yes, which stops the barnacles sticking.
I'm joined with this research program for complete my final exam in my university about recruitment and biomass of invasive species based on habitat type and depth. Thank you. What I'm doing here is to see the functional group of invasive species based on 2 meter and 5 meter depth, and to see the fouling organism in the settlement arrays.
In this project, I took the barnacle from every topotype in Banda Island. So in the future, we can know whether the barnacle in here is native or introduced species.
In this project, I did sampling and analyzed some fouling bivalves to know whether native or invasive species in Banda Island.